Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. We feel betrayed. That response from the Jamaica Teachers Association JTA this evening following the passage of the Jamaica Teaching Council bill in the Senate. The association is warning that it will take all possible actions to stop the bill. JTA President Dr. Mark Smith made the revelation at a church service in Clarendon today to kickstart Education Week. Amoy Harriot reports.
May 4 to May 10, 2025 is being celebrated as the Jamaica Teachers Association's National Education Week. But according to some stakeholders in the education sector, there's not much to celebrate. A need for infrastructural investment and a rapid teacher migration were just some of the issues highlighted at Sunday's church service in Clarendon. Then, a seething JTA President Mark Smith.
I take this opportunity to urge the government to address the significant flaws within the Teaching Council bill that was recently passed in the upper house and now moves to the lower house. The JTA, after 2 decades of staunch advocacy on this bill, feels betrayed, as the bill in its present form demonstrates no meaningful effort to address the critical concerns raised as the teachers of Jamaica. The teachers have been agitating for meaningful change. We are not against professionalizing the teaching service. We support it, but we believe that the approach being taken is heavy-handed.
The JTC bill was passed in the Senate late last month with 38 amendments. And since its passage, there's been a major division in the sector, with some stakeholders for the bill and others calling for changes.
A bill that purports to professionalize the teaching service seems more obsessed with punitive sanctions and taking control of the profession away from teachers.
The bill is now heading to the lower house for approval, but the association is making it clear that it will do everything in its power to prevent it from moving forward.
As a union with over 20,000 members, we stand ready to take all possible actions to halt what I can only characterize as a travesty. This bill must not be put into law in its current form. The teachers of Jamaica will not accept what we consider a betrayal. There's only one group that benefits from a weakened JTA, and that is whichever party forms government. We must never forget that. Both parties have their fingerprints on this bill. And so let us not be divided in our attempts to move forward.
Amoy Harriot, TVJ News.